Welcome back to Fierce Hotwood, guys. Today, last time I said I bought a new phone for myself. I upgraded for Galaxy A71. I didn't want to buy $1,200-$1,500 new Galaxy S10 or 8S20 and all that. That's too much money for me, to be honest. And I don't know why I should pay that much, so I just downsized myself. But there's another phone that's A51 that looks similar, just slightly smaller one. Nevertheless, it has a little lag on it, like 0.5 seconds when you do this. But nevertheless, if you want to save money, you can go that way. I just went and bought this one. But today we're going to do the screenshots, how to do screenshots, just like the old ones. Other phones, you have volume up and down on the right side, not on the left side. And you got off button. So volume down and off button. Just push it quickly and you made a screenshot. The other way, what you can do is do with the palm. Sorry, you see that? It took a snapshot. And let's go right here. Gallery. No, this calculator. And here's my two phone. And watch this again. I'm going to do it again. There you go. And here's the third shot. As you see, it popped up and 3 shots right here, 3 screenshots. So one other thing, guys, if you want to make a little extra cash on the side, I don't usually do that advertisement, but I want to show you guys. There's a receipt, the app called Receipt Hog. What it is just you snap pictures with all the receipts. All the restaurant, McDonald's, the fast food restaurants, Burger King, all that, they won't let you do receipts, but what they do is at the end of the month, they put in a drawing where you can do rewards. So right now, I'm at 5,489, so what you do, just go rewards, redeem rewards. Once you're done, then you could do either Amazon, PayPal, and as you see, this is what I did. This was cancel, let's see, right here, because I just did it as Amazon instead of doing PayPal. And those money go to my kid's account. So, let's just do this. I won't do it all the way, so it goes PayPal right now. 1,000 points I could do for $5, 290, 2,900 is 15, 43 is 25. But once I reach the 6,500, it's going to be, I'm going to have, I can do $40 withdraw to my PayPal, and those money can go to my kid's saving account. That's what I do. So if you guys are interested, here's a little code, SNEMP278. Put that code in that is my recommendation, and I get 10 spins, you get 5 extra spins. So just for you guys, just a heads up, I don't usually do that ads, but I decided to do this. And you can make extra cash, and you can go on the receipts right here. Whatever you took snap, there's some spins that you can do. There's home button. So thank you for watching and enjoy.